Hello friend, it's great news. Now you are going to learn the 10th letter in Malayalam alphabet. It is interesting and written as this. Closely observe this letter and take it in your memory. Okay, let's look into its pronunciation. Read the English words. Ice cream. Ivory. Sound of I and the given set of examples corresponds to the pronunciation of this Malayalam letter. I'm sure, now you could easily pronounce this letter clearly. It is I. Could you pronounce it 3 times? I. Wow! Hearty congratulations to you! Now you passed one milestone of learning 10 letters in Malayalam language. It is really a big achievement. I appreciate your great commitment in learning new things. Thank you so much for your wonderful time to learn one more language. See you in the next class.